Good morning, all of you. Today, our topic is compound angles and subtopic is trigonometric functions. Compound angles. Objectives. After the completion of this class, you will able to solving the problems in compound angles. Now we go to the problem number 6. Prove that tan of pi by 4 plus theta into tan of pi by 4 minus theta equal to 1. In the LHS part, we take tan of pi by 4 plus theta into tan of pi by 4 minus theta. Now apply the formula tan A plus tan B. Now A in the place is pi by 4 and B in the place is theta. Now we have to take tan of A plus B formula. Tan of pi by 4 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan of pi by 4 into tan theta into tan of pi by 4 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan of pi by 4 into tan theta. Now write tan of pi by 4 value is 1. So that in the place of tan of pi by 4 we have to take 1. That is equal 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus 1 tan theta into 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta. Therefore we know that tan of pi by 4 is equal to 1. Okay, here 1 plus tan theta and 1 plus tan theta cancel, 1 minus 1 tan theta and 1 minus theta also cancel, that is equal to 1. That is equal to RHS also. Now we go to the problem number 7. If A plus B equal 45 degrees, prove that 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B equal to 2 and find the value of tan 22 and half. Now we go to the solution given that condition A plus B equal 45 degrees. Here we apply the both side tan, that is equal tan of A plus B equal tan 45 degrees. We know that tan of A plus B formula is tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B equal to tan 45 value is 1. Here we do the cross multiplication, we get tan A plus tan B equal 1 minus tan A into tan B. This implies tan A plus tan B equal, we have to write in minus tan A tan B, to go to the left side we get plus tan A tan B equal to 1. Adding 1 on both sides. Then we get 1 plus tan A plus tan B plus tan A into tan B equal 1 plus 1 equal to 2. This implies 1 plus tan A plus tan B, we take the common of tan B, outside we write 1 plus tan A equal to 2. Now we get 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B equal to 2. Okay, now we go to the problem number 7. If A equal B equal 22 and half, then 1 plus tan 22 and half to 1 plus tan 22 and half is equal to 2. Now write 1 plus tan 22 and half whole square is equal to 2. We know that 1 plus tan 22 and half equal to root 2. The square will be go to the right side. Now we get tan 22 and half equal root 2 minus 1. The plus 1 go to the right side, that will be minus 1. Okay. Now we go to the problem number 8. Show that cos 12 degrees plus sin 12 degrees by cos 12 degrees minus sin 12 degrees equal to tan 57. LHS cos 12 plus sin 12 by cos 12 minus sin 12. Now we have to take both numerator and denominator is divided by cos 12. that is equal cos 12 plus sin 12 by cos 12 and the whole divided by cos 12 minus sin 12 divided by cos 12. Now we can split it. In each part we have to divide it by cos 12. We get cos 12 by cos 12 1 and sin 12 by cos 12 we get tan 12 and also cos 12 by cos 12 1 sin 12 by cos 12 tan 12, that is equal 1 plus tan 12 degrees divided by 1 minus tan 12 degrees. Now we go to this one, tan of 45 plus 12, tan of 45 plus 12, this implies, therefore we know that 1 plus tan A theta by 1 minus tan theta equal, we have to write tan of 45 plus theta. Okay, in the place of 1 we have to take tan 45 degrees also possible, so that in the place of A is 45, in the place of B is 12 degrees. Now apply the tan of A plus B formula, we get tan of 45 plus theta, and also we write here in the place of B is 12, that is equal, we write tan of 45 plus 12. The finally we write 45 plus 12 equal to 57, we get tan 57 degrees. Okay, now we go to the problem number 9. Given tan A equal 5 by 6 and tan B equal to 1 by 11, show that A plus B equal to pi by 4. We have tan of A plus B equal tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Substituting the values of tan A, tan B, we get tan of A plus B equal, what is the tan A value? 5 by 6. What is the tan B value? 1 by 11. Now we substitute here. 5 by 6 plus 1 by 11 divided by 1 minus 5 by 6 into 1 by 11. After simplification we get 55 plus 6 by 66, 66 minus 5 by 66, that is equal 61 by 61 equal to 1. In the place of 1 we also write here tan 45 degrees. Therefore A plus B equal pi by 4 also possible. Okay, now we go to the problem number 10. Prove that tan 3 theta minus tan 2 theta minus tan theta equal tan 3 theta into tan 2 theta into tan theta. We know that 3 theta minus 2 theta equal to theta. Applying tan on both sides. Now we write tan of 3 theta minus 2 theta equal tan theta. Now apply the tan of A minus B formula. That is equal tan 3 theta minus tan 2 theta divided by 1 plus tan 3 theta into tan 2 theta equal to tan theta. Now we do the cross multiplication. We write tan 3 theta minus tan 2 theta is equal tan theta plus tan 3 theta into tan 2 theta into tan theta. Now we write tan 3 theta minus tan 2 theta minus tan theta. In the right side by tan theta, we write in left side, that will be negative, we write minus tan theta. That is equal to tan 3 theta into tan 2 theta into tan theta. Okay, now we go to the problem number 11. Find the value of sin square 52 and half minus sin square 22 and half. Here sin square 52 and half minus sin square 22 and half. Okay, in the place of 52 and half we write A, in the place of 22 and half B. We know that sin square A minus sin square B formula is sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. That is equal, in the sin of A plus B means sin 52 and half plus 22 and half, that is equal sin 75. Sin 52 and half minus 22 and half, that is equal sin 30 degrees. Now we write in the place of 75 degrees sin of 90 minus 15. Sin of 90 minus 15. We know that sin 30 equal to 1 by 2. That is sin of 90 minus 15 equal to, we write here sin 75 also possible. In otherwise sin 90 minus 15 we write cos 15 also possible. Into 1 by 2 we write here. Therefore sin 90 minus 15 we write cos 15 degrees. We know that cos 15 value is what? root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Already we know that sin 30 is 1 by 2. Now we do the multiplication. We get root 3 plus 1 divided by 4 root 2. Okay. Now we go to the summary. In this class, you acquired knowledge in solving the problems. Now we go to the quiz. The first question is cos square 7 and half minus sin square 22 and half is equal to 3 plus root 3 by 4 root 2, 3 minus root 3 by 4 root 2, root 3 by 2. Option D is 1 by 2. What is the answer? 3 plus root 3 by 4 root 2. Second question. Cos 37 degrees plus sin 37 degrees divided by cos 37 minus sin 37 equal to tan 8 cot 8 1 minus 1. What is the answer? Cot 8 degrees. Questions appeared in the previous examinations. Find the value of sin square 52 and half minus sin square 22 and half. Number 2 question. Given tan A equal 5 by 6 and tan B equal 1 by 11, show that A plus B equal 5 by 4. If A plus B equal to 45 degrees, prove that 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B equal to 2. Okay, now we go to the assignment. If cos of theta plus pi equal to b cos of theta minus pi, show that tan theta and tan pi equal a minus b divided by a plus b. Second question, show that cos 29 degrees plus sin 29 degrees divided by cos 29 minus sin 29 equal to tan 74 degrees. Third question, if tan a plus b equal to x and tan of a minus b equal to y, find the values of tan 2a and tan 2b. Okay, you observe here these three questions depends only on the formula of sin of a plus b and cos of a plus b, tan of a plus b, tan of a minus b, and cot of a plus b and cot of a minus b, and also one important formula is sin square a minus sin square b, that is equal sin of a plus b into sin plus ab, sin of a plus b. Using these formulas, you have to solve this assignment problems. Okay, thank you very much.